This Arduino project enables us to display three different numbers on the 7-segment display when the obstacle is at three different distances. When the obstacle is very close to the ultrasonic sensor, it displays 0. When we move it more further, it turns to 1, and if we move it more farther, it would turn to 2. So let us see how this project works, and let us build one using the Arduino. To make this project, you will need an Arduino Uno, a breadboard, an ultrasonic sensor, a 7-segment display, some jumper wires, few resistors, a screwdriver, some screws, and a USB cable to upload your code. This is the pin diagram of the 7-segment display. This is another diagram representing the same thing in a different manner. These are the connections of the jumper cables and the resistors from the breadboard to the Arduino Uno. These are additional jumper wires which you have to connect. These are the connection between the ultrasonic sensor and the Arduino Uno. So this is the Arduino code for the project, which enables us to display a number on the 7-segment display with a particular distance input. So I'll just explain this code quickly. So here we give the command to name the ultrasonic sensor, which is HCSR04, which is the name of the ultrasonic sensor module. Here we are defining the echo and the trigger pins of the ultrasonic sensor, which in my case is 11 and 12, and the initial front distance is 0, and the initial maximum distance is kept as 20 cm, which is the maximum distance to obstacle. So here we are giving the names to the 7-segment display's 8 LEDs, which are A, B, C, D, E, F, G and DP. Here DP means decimal point. And we are also defining the ultrasonic sensor using trigger and echo. So here we are coding the 7-segment display to give all its LEDs as outputs, and the code for the 8 LEDs to display 2. So the number 2 has to be displayed. So for that the command is given here. Similarly for 1 and 0, these are the commands. So we have to get the distance from the ultrasonic sensor, therefore this is the code for that. And so the loop or the main code states that we must get the distance from the ultrasonic sensor, and if the front distance is lesser than 20 cm, then the 7-segment display would display 0, and if the front distance is greater than 20 cm and less than 40 cm, it would display 1. If the front distance is greater than 40 cm, then it would display 2. So this is the Arduino code. So I would be uploading the file or the link of the same code in the description. Please check from that. And so let's upload the code first. We'll verify it first. So it's done verifying. Now let's upload the code to the Arduino board. So this code has been uploaded. Let's move on to the next. Now first let us give the power supply to our Arduino. Now as the power supply has been given, let us take our obstacle. So when we keep the obstacle or the book very close to the ultrasonic sensor, it will show 0. As we move further, it would show 1. And as we keep moving further, it would show 2 at a certain point. This is the Arduino project. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.